There's a fish. Oh, that's a good fish. There's Mr. Redfish. But what I was saying was some of those spots, I would never think to fish. Oh, that's not a redfish. That is just a donkey trout. All right. I was hoping to get at least one of these big fellas today. Come on, get over here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah. Come on, stay pinned, girl. Stay pinned. Good 20-inch trout. Hey. Just when you think you've seen all you could see. Hook just fell right out. That is a beautiful Southeast Georgia fall trout right there. Let's get a measurement on her. Whoa, calm down, girl. You're going back. You're going back. Whoa. I lied. 21. I was close. I said 20. There's a 21-inch. Calm down. This big old 21-inch speckled trout. Oh, yeah. See ya. I love seeing them. That's a big one.